How to delete poll on a Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete poll on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Messenger with your account. Alright, so after you open the Messenger, you'll have to just open any conversation or group from where you want to delete the poll. Alright, so as you can see, here is the poll I want to delete. So from here, after you hold or trying to unsend that message, you can't delete the poll on Facebook Messenger. So the only one way to delete polls on Facebook Messenger, you'll have to just tap and hold your entire conversation, and from here, you'll have to just delete the conversation from here, and after you delete it, you'll be able to delete the entire conversation from your Messenger account. So there is no any such options like you can delete manually from the group. So there is no any unsent option. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.